Explore the top 3 highest-grossing films of all time when adjusted for inflation. These films have captivated audiences worldwide and earned massive box office revenues over the years. Gone with the Wind, 1939. Adjusted gross, $3.7 billion. Synopsis: this epic historical romance set against the backdrop of the American Civil War follows the tumultuous love affair between Scarlett O'Hara and Rhett Butler. Notable aspects: known for its grand scale, memorable performances, and iconic lines, it remains a classic in cinematic history. Star Wars, Episode IV, A New Hope, 1977. Adjusted gross, $3.3 billion. Synopsis: this groundbreaking sci-fi film introduces the world to Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, and Darth Vader, setting the stage for an epic intergalactic saga. Notable aspects: revolutionized special effects and storytelling in film, creating a massive fanbase and enduring legacy. The Sound of Music, 1965. Adjusted gross, $2.45 billion. Synopsis: this beloved musical follows Maria, a young aspiring nun, who becomes a governess for the 7 children of a widowed naval captain and eventually falls in love with him. Notable aspects: features iconic songs and stunning landscapes, making it a timeless family favorite. These 3 films have not only achieved massive box office success but also left a lasting impact on the film industry and popular culture. Hopefully, you've enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel CyberTheo.